He's finally back together. Repair done. Currently assembled. Skirt was reprinted and replaced. Damage on the bottom. Actually is the back side of the skirt. Fixed. Some small chips, touch-up paint. Utility arms reprinted. Large data port parts were broken and had to be reprinted. I've got servos behind these now. Yeah, looking good. Apart from my 2017 dome, I've started working on the replacement dome that I did one or 2 years ago. It will replace this one. It will still be a temporary dome, but I plan on painting it and trying rub and buff on it. I won't have any movable pie panels or anything, just like this one is static apart from the lights. It'll be just like that, but it just looks so nice with the completed body. And then you get to this multicolored mess here. These two dome rings, one needs to be silver and one blue. And then the dome, obviously blue and silver as well, with hollow pieces painted. And this is all raw plastic, other than the painted backside of the eye and the primer that I put on the dome, getting it fairly smooth, but not smooth enough. The area in the back that I could never quite get to my liking, and decided to reprint the other dome. So there we are. November is when I took a fall and damaged him. I can't paint really until spring or summer here in the Pacific Northwest. There's just too much rain and humidity. But I managed to get everything repaired, fixed, and I have not put the batteries in and made sure that he drives around. I've just put him together in his home here, and about the only place I have in our small house to have a droid. So there we go. Very happy that I'm back at this step, which is pretty much, well, I keep saying I'm back to where I was in November, but that is not true because the legs are done now. All the greebles are in them, everything is painted, and it's pretty much now dome and electronics, figuring out all the wiring for the servos and the electronics of the servos, the Markduinos, which I have 3 Markduino V3 boards and 2 version 2 boards. And this needs 3 boards in total, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. I was planning on using V2 boards, but they evidently stopped making them now that they're making V3, so I have to figure out how to get one of my V3s that I built to work with the V2s, which I'm pretty sure is just a few small wiring changes. But yeah, I don't think I'll be doing any of that until the fall or winter, because yeah, now that I've decided that I'd really like to have a static dome since I've already got one printed, apart from I'll probably have to reprint everything that's on this one. The pie panels I can probably pop off of this one and use on the new dome, but all the other pieces, the other panels and the eye were printed on different printer. That wasn't quite up to the task. I think the hollows were also, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm drifting from the point of the video. The point of the video is repairs have been done. He is now standing and looks better than ever before because he's got a complete body as far as the cosmetics go, and now just kind of needs a nicer dome to finish him off, so at least he's more presentable now.